Hi viewers, welcome to another exciting video. You are watching Asian Flavors. Today I am making a very delicious recipe. It is mutton or goat pulao. It is very famous in Indo-Pak. It is a royal dish and it has been loved by everyone. This is a special recipe of my mother-in-law. She used to make it and we were all like waiting for when she'll cook it, and it is so delicious. So I'll share it with you, but first I would like you all to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. We will start with making a stock of mutton or goat meat. You can check the quantity of the ingredients in the subtitles and description. This is goat meat with the bones. For stock I'll use onions. It is roughly sliced, ginger garlic paste, cumin seeds, whole coriander seeds, fennel seeds, black pepper whole, few sticks of cinnamon, star anise, cloves and black cardamom, and 1 tablespoon I guess for salt. Put the meat in the pan. Add onions, ginger garlic paste, all the whole spices. Right now I'll add 1 liter of water. We'll check if will be needed further. We'll add more. Let this mixture comes into a boil. Then we will lower the heat and we'll cook it. You can also add all the spices in a small pocket or of cloth. You can see the stock is bubbling. Now at this time I'll cover it and we'll cook it on a medium to low heat for about 45 to 50 minutes. So viewers, it is now about 50 minutes and I have checked. The meat is perfectly cooked and we have this rich stock. Now let's move to the ingredients. Here I have strained the stock and took out the meat. I have taken onions. These are finely sliced. With that, red chili powder, salt, cumin seeds. With that, few quantity of black cumin, some whole spices, green cardamom, cloves, whole black pepper, black cardamom, cinnamon sticks, and this is roughly or coarsely ground mace and nutmeg powder, ginger garlic paste, vegetable oil, yogurt, green chilies, and rice. These are basmati rice. I have washed it and soaked it for about 20 minutes. So viewers, now let's heat up the pan and add the cooking oil. Add the onions. These are very finely sliced onions. We will cook the onions till they are light golden brown. You have to stir it continuously so that the onions can be cooked perfectly. As you can see, onions have changed their color, but these are not golden brown. But at this time we will add whole spices. For your convenience, we have added all the details in the description and subtitles, all the quantity of the ingredients. These whole spices will give very wonderful flavor. You can see it is perfectly golden brown. Do not get it into a darker side. Now I'll add ginger garlic paste. Cook it well. Now I'll add salt, red chili powder, cumin and black cumin. Give it a good stir for just 10-20 seconds. I'll add a little bit of water. Let this mixture cook for about 30-40 seconds. Now I'll add boiled goat meat or mutton in it. Cook the mutton with this mixture for about again 1 minute. Now add yogurt. Yogurt gives a very good aromatic flavor to the rice. As you can see that the mixture is quite cooked. All the water has been evaporated. Now I'll add the mace and nutmeg powder and green chilies. Cook it well with all the spices and meat. You can see the oil at the sides of the pan. That means that this mixture is perfectly cooked. Remove all the whole spices from the stock. And you'll be needing 8 cups of stock for 1 kg of rice. Give it a good stir. Let the mixture comes into a boil. When you will see small bubbles in the mixture, it is the perfect time to add the rice in it. Now mix it well and let it cook. We will cook it till the rice absorb all the flavors of the stock. Now viewers, you can see the stock is evaporated and rice has soaked up all the flavors. Rice has been cooked like it is 70 to 75%. After 2-3 minutes, I'll put it on what we say is on dum. It is a procedure to cook the rice perfectly. I'll show you that. Before reducing the heat, I'm adding yellow food color with few drops of Cura essence. It will give a very special look to pulao. It looks beautiful with the color. And this is optional if you want to add fried onions here. Just 2-3 tablespoons of fried onions. But it really gives a good flavor. This is the procedure to how to give what we call is dum to the rice. Add a flat pan under the pan you are cooking rice in it. The first 5 minutes keep the flame high, and after 5 minutes just lower down the heat. So it is on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's check it out. Oh, it looks perfectly done. It smells awesome. You can see how rice are beautifully cooked. They are so aromatic and so delicious. Wow. So viewers, our mutton or goat pulao is perfectly ready to serve. It is hot. As you can see, it is beautiful. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any query or you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Do give it a try and let me know your feedback. Until my next recipe, bye bye.